ay na-generate din. Okay? And then pang-apat, although hindi na ito magiging impactful dun sa ibang mga susunod na experiment, you don't have, yung iba walang actual photo ng circuit or nung ginawang experiment na hardware. Okay? And then, pang-lima, so hindi ko pa na-check lahat ng questions, pero kung may sinabing refer to datasheet, you should conclude kung ano yung nasa datasheet versus ano yung na-achieve nyo sa inyong experiment. Okay? So yun lang yung mga key items that will help you improve for this next experiment. So for today, ang inyong experiment ay DIAC. You need to submit within today. Okay? So I set the due date at 1 p.m. Pero yan, may pila yung experiment ng DIAC. It's only software-based, so kaya-kaya nyo tapusin within this morning. Actually, kaya talagang tapusin ngayong morning in 3 hours, both DIAC and TRIAC. But I decided na DIAC na lang yung isasubmit nyo ngayon. Pag nagawa, you perform the experiment ng TRIAC, pero next week pa isasubmit. Okay, so isang report lang yung isasubmit ngayon, but with the allotted time, kaya nyo na dapat gawin yung experiment din noong TRIAC. Okay? So that's our objective for today's experiment. Meron ba question? So if not, you may start your group to work out with your experiment. Experiment number 4 or LR4. Ilang group na kayo? 4, diba? So, I will ask you to acquire a sensor. You could check kung meron kayong mahihiraman, makukuha or mabibili. But some of these are generally available sa mga online shopping like Shopee, Lazada. Since if you will gonna order to those options, baka it will take time. I will discuss this ahead. Kung meron tayong mga sensors that you could experiment on without using any Arduino, you will connect any output device or actuator like buzzer for sound, LED for light, or a fan for actuation ng rotation or any type. But I want you to acquire mainly the sensor, and it's up to you kung ano yung mga additional components that you will be need, that you may also acquire or you may check here in laboratory kung meron kayong mga mahirap or mga gamit. So here just some example. So this is a sound sensor. So ito lang yung sound sensor module connected to the LED to indicate yung variation ng sound and correspondingly yung variation ng output light. So you just need to connect the sensor to a power supply, a 5 volts DC, then it will be demonstrated dun sa lighting. Another example ay itong gas sensor, which you could also, you may not need to copy, but you may also consider yung mga examples dito. So anong ginawa niya? Output actuations, LED and buzzer. But they was made a circuit using resistors. And ito yung gas sensor. So, paano niya ginawa yung gas? So, pwedeng through a smoke. Pwede rin yung output ng lighter. Okay? But I did not select this for our safety. So, marami pa dito example without using any Arduino. Ito naman ay for thermistor. So, meron akong isinet na pinili na 5 topics for you. So, depending on the ranking dito, group first will be for group 1, second for group 2, and so on. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pupunta for each group. So, you need to acquire or have them before your next experiment. So, ito, 2 to 3 weeks time pa naman. So, at least we have ample time before we start.
Liquid pH.
Number 1.
That's liquid pH sensor yan, ha?
Mas pa kasi na! Number 1. Yes, number right.
Number 2 tayo.
Ano ba meron si Pia?
Light sensor. Group 1 yan?
So group 1, you will need to acquire color or light sensor. Second group ay liquid pH. Itong pH ay yung acidity, pH sensor. Group 3 is temperature meron lang nabibiling temperature na may kasamang relative humidity.
Bakit?
And group 4 ay ultrasonic distance.
Nakakalungkot. Ano yun?
O let's show you for example, the color.
Sir, actual po yan dito gagawin?
You can, actually yung demonstration nyo na.
Okay.
Okay? But I will allot a laboratory period for you to conduct the experiment on your own. Ayan, yung mga nabibili na ito, color sensor module for Arduino, but you will not need any Arduino kasi you will just connect any output device. For example, how will you be able to show color? Pwede kayong bumili ng iba't ibang LED color to match yung input color nyo na ipapakita. Right? So you have your own option, pwede rin value ng voltage. Ano pa example? Ultrasonic distance. Ano ba?
Yun yung atin.
Ayan, maraming nabibili ito. 45 pesos nga lang.
May bata.
So, ito nga lang, medyo madaling masira. Mura nga lang. Baka 45, isa lang bilhin nyo. Mas mahal pa yung shipping fee. So, bumili na kayo ng another extra kung tingin nyo ay medyo pangit yung review.
Ultrasound.
Para saan yun? Distance
Ano
measuring.
pang meron? Any other?
Liquid pH.
Liquid pH sensor.
Yung 4 axis.
Jay.
1,000.
Meron namang less than 400. Meron siyang
Ang mahal ng inyo.
meron siyang device na sinasubmerge
Napaka-affordable
sa
naman.
liquid.
yun.
Ano ba ang isang group? Isa pang group ay?
Buti lahat available na sa Lazada.
Or
Group 3.
3 axis?
So, I mean,
An ultrasonic sensor is used to measure distance, detect objects, and monitor fluid levels without physical contact by using a high-frequency sound.
Technically sonar siya. Sonar. Sonar radar.
O, ito maraming nabibili nito.
Nagde-detect siya ng distance by sound.
Kung lang 60.
hindi. 68 naman. Lolo! 3 axis.
Ang mahal lang ninyo.
Parang fish to.
Ano yan?
Parang bang patak sa mata?
Honda Civic. Temperature sensor ng sasakyan.
Bibili tayo ng Honda Civic.
Sensor.
Kayo nag-click ko.
These are parang thermostat.
200.
Thermostat ng sasakyan. RH sensor. Arduino.
Kailangan murder na baka mas takpag bumagyo.
Mas trending. Ngayon pala overseas pa yung shipping ng 2 weeks.
Malamang.
Ito ba yan? Temperature and humidity.
Alam!
Yung mga Arduino based na para digital na yung kanyang output, 5 volts lang yung inyong input. Okay, so you just need to select yung appropriate sensor na mas madaling, modular na siya, mas madali siyang i-activate, okay? And of course, depending on dun sa topic na napili nyo, you need to find way on how to demonstrate that. Halimbawa, temperature, paano kayo mag-demonstrate ng hot, cold, or different level of temperature. Ganun din sa pH.
Sisig.
Anong mga materials ang kailangan nyo dalhin? Covering different type of pH level. Huwag lang magdadala ng mga bawal. Okay? Ayan, example, vinegar, citric acid.
Bakit tawag?
Sir,
Pwede.
ano po yun? Okay lang po kahit breadboard lang.
Yes, similar dun sa pinakita kanina, naka-breadboard lang. Okay?
Basta acid.
So yun lang yung assignment. I will also post this para ma-acquire nyo na yung sensors assigned for each group. Okay?
Okay po.
Ultrasonic tayo. Yung mga nakita na kong product.
Parang radar nga lang din siya. Radar. Meron kaya yun sa ano?
Ang galing mo, tinan mo, may LCD, tapos nag-a-appear kung ano yung gano'n siya kalayo from the sensor.
Ano?
Kung gano'n siya kalayo from the sensor.
Ito naman ay ano eh, modular.
Without Arduino.
Ultrasonic distance.